Bam! Yes! I wonder if I could put this in this pocket. There you go. That kind of works, right? Let's see. I don't have many shirts with pockets, so it's kind of nice. All right. Everybody, this show is edutainment, education, entertainment, not to be taken as financial advice. I don't know your financial situation. I'm not your financial advisor. You gotta do your own research. Plus, looking at charts is just one way of investing. It's the most funnest YouTube friendly / social media friendly thing I could do. Else we'd just be looking at we'd just be looking at financials and numbers and calculations. Who wants to do that on video format? Charts, a little more fun. So we're gonna get to this. I'm gonna have a little sip of coffee. If I'm looking over here, I have a trade that's making some money, just thinking about when to exit. So don't worry about my eyes. You focus on you. Hi, social media world. My name's Alfred Gordon Liu. This is 8 at 8, and 8 minutes starts right now, just like that. Today we're talking about the S&P 500. Yesterday it had a huge drop down, and now it is doing a little bit of a bounce. I don't know if it's a dead cat bounce again, or if it's a bounce higher, or just straight reversal. Somehow I don't think it's straight reversal. I think we're bouncing. So, Warren Buffett told us to pick 20 companies, take a look at these companies, see which ones we like, and trade, and we can become very wealthy on them. We have picked Microsoft today to look at, MSFT, and it's part of the information technology sector here. And if you are an investor, you got to go look at the investor relations page. We just had, was it Satel? I can't remember his name. The CEO here, he's got the same haircut as me. I never remember his name. It's Satel, I believe. And you can see the stock right there, 250, 256. And it had a little bit of drop even this morning, and we'll take a look at that. Is it still a buy, hold, or sell? We don't know. Let's go take a look at our charts. So with our charts, I'm looking over here now, so I should really flip that. I'm looking over here. I'm looking over here. You know, let's just flip that now. I'm going to flip this one. Boom. So when I'm looking this way, there you go. It looks like I'm looking at the chart. Perfect. We're going to zoom on in here. Whoo-wee. We've had a couple of red circles. I don't know if you can see that right off the bat. Nothing's really changed on that front, I think, from earlier this year or the quarter. Look at that. Went back and forth. And then this month is April negative. Back in February, the sellers took control. And right here, the stock, people started offloading the stock, fearful of it, and it still continued that way. So it is on a beautiful downward trajectory. So if you are holding and thinking about dollar cost averaging, you can get a lot of money for your dollar cost average. So good luck with that strategy. I have my bias. So, but if you're a swing trader, let's see what opportunities are there for you in here. For that, we're going to use Bollinger Bands. We know it's going down. We're zooming in. We like to, for these traders or investors, we're thinking about momentum. We want to take advantage of the swings. These guys usually have a little more time on their hands, and we're using a daily chart to look at that. So if we are looking at opportunities, I know in the last couple of days we've had a buying opportunity. As it dips, you dip, we dip right there. Look at that. That one was a couple days ago. That was May 12th. And then we had another candle right here kind of touch the outskirts. So I'm going to move that circle, move it out there to both of those. And if we're looking at the strength, it's still on the lower side. It's not touched down to below the 30 yet, but it is weak, I would say. I'm just going to give that a red right there. And the reason why I'm giving a red is because it goes from this peak down to that one. It hasn't pierced through that. It's not an upward trend. It is a downward trend. And that's how people look at also convergence. So I don't know if I can draw that line. Maybe I shall. Let's see. You see this right here? There you go. Downward sloping, right? It hasn't totally pushed up to the highs yet, but it's downward sloping, so I'd give that a red. And then here, at the very bottom, oh man, that's so tough to look at. I probably got to zoom in a little bit more. As you can see, it's clearly red. We're going to give that another red circle down there. Erase that green. That's there. It's all red. So you're looking for buying opportunities here. hoping that it's not a floor, and then bouncing back up. So what can move the market? And what can move this stock specifically? We're taking a look. When is their earning call? I'll get my magic finger. I think it's April 26th right there. April 26th. We were expecting 219. They delivered 222, giving us a little upside potential. So we'll give them a pass. But the next time they meet right here is July 25th. We're expecting a little bit better, 2.33. Let's see what they actually deliver. This is a little weird. I don't know if there's something wrong with this time. But we're looking at Yahoo Finance. There's usually economic events, but right now, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. This is all events, earnings, stock splits, right there, IPOs, right? Economic events. There's no economic events. I guess that everybody's just taking a holiday. Look at that. We can't find any results. So nothing's going to move the markets except the stocks itself. So we probably got to go to the news right here. This is the only thing I really could find lately in the news with Microsoft. They're trying to get them back into the office or keep them. So they're looking at, boost pay and then also stock compensation. The other thing is in the pre-market, they have moved down. I think this was today's. They said it's down about 1%. So with that news, let's go on over to intraday. For all you intraday traders who have been having a great time, I'm also hanging out here recently with intraday traders. Let's take the low. Let's take the high. So come on. We're taking a Fibonacci. We're taking the lows. We're taking the highs. We're matching them up a little bit. Just checking the levels. And boom, we're dropping it like it's hot. And then, as you can see, it's had a couple of down days, especially this week. And it's having a little bit of a bounce. So let's zoom in here and let's take a look. Right now, it is it is hitting its head against a ceiling right here, having a little bit of resistance at 256 right there. You could even say 256, 255. Yeah, I would say clearly 256 is a hard ceiling. Look at that. You have almost like a triple top. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's trying. It's bouncing off this and coming back. So it's forming a little bit of a pendant. People say this is a flag. As you can see, it's lower lows, so it's going up in this direction and then hitting the top. And it's going to eventually burst one way or the other. We don't know. So let's just draw some lines here, right here. These are trend lines. These are some trend, for all you trend line traders right there. You can see that there, they're hitting the resistance. So you can kind of see there is like a pendant or a flag forming. Usually that goes up there and it bursts one direction or the other. Who knows? I think it's going to try to burst up because the rest of the market, if you're following it, is kind of trying to nudge up higher. We had a pretty rough day, so we always look left. This was a huge down day. As you can see, this is a strong resistance ceiling, but I think we're going to pierce through and then have our next resistance up here at 257. So it'll pierce through there, and then 258 is when it's going to have its next kind of resistance right there, and then it's got to have a little bit of clear sky to get up to this level right here, 260. Can you guys even see that? Let's see here. Woo. So yeah, what I would say here, those of you who guys are going up here, I would say you're looking at here the next. I think I saw the next ceiling is right around there. So you intraday traders, you guys trade safe. It looks like it's a strong floor, this trend line here. And a good thing, double thing, it's bouncing off VWAP. That means that's pretty good momentum to the upside. So with that, traders, you guys trade safe. And we're going to roll that outro in about 15 seconds. Then I got to go and get these girls to school. Catalina is sick today. She might make a presence, I don't know, but I don't really want her all germy and stuff getting on me as well. So with that said, rolled the outro. Woo! That was quick, and we just looked at all those charts. Love it. I think, oh my, she's coming in here. Here comes the sickie. I'm clearing out. Look at the sickie. Thanks for the thumbs up, whoever that was. Look at this sick one. She's not going to school today. Oh my gosh, you're sick and your head is cut off.
No.
Let's take that. And your eyes too, it's reflecting green. Yeah, come closer here so they can see you. Oh no, you just got glasses. All right, everybody. We got a minute and 30. Anything you want to say on your sick day? What are you doing?
Hey, my glasses are kind of there too.
Anything you want to say on your sick day?
Maybe.
You're resting? Oh my gosh! Okay, get away from my workstation. Get out of here. Man, thanks for the sneeze. Anyways, everybody. She's laughing at it. She thinks that's really funny, coming on the show and sneezing. Good thing she wasn't holding the mic. Because I am. Look, I don't know what you guys think about this. I could use some feedback. Look at that. I'm also wearing glasses. These are blue light filter. Blue lens. She's got blue lenses too. These Marie bought in a 3-pack. This is the third. I don't even get choice. I just get the scraps left over. So this is them protecting my eyes as well. Anyways, we're done. I don't know why. We're just playing. All right, everybody. It's Thursday, May 19th. Happy trading. Stay safe. I hope you have a great long weekend coming up. Wait, I still got one more day. I'll wish it to you tomorrow. Peace.